Hi, I'm Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. In this video, you will learn how to create a PowerPoint graphic like this in super easy steps. Now, this graphic might look a bit complex, but in reality, it's very easy to create using a combination of shortcuts. So let me show you how to create this beautiful graphic, which can be used either to represent 8 related factors or a circular process or any of the concepts that you want to communicate using this graphic. So let me show you how to do this from scratch. The first thing I'm going to do is to go to Auto Shapes menu. Under Basic Shapes, I'm going to pick up this tool called as Right Triangle. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hold the Shift button down as I draw a right triangle. Holding the Shift button ensures that the sides are constrained and you have a perfect right triangle like this. The next step is to use the powerful combination of Ctrl D and Alt right arrow. Let me show you what I mean by that. First, let us select this right triangle shape. Press Ctrl D. Ctrl D is the shortcut for duplicate. And then we are going to hold the Alt button down as we hit the right arrow key on the keyboard. When we hit the right arrow key while holding the Alt button, the shape gets rotated by 15 degrees. If you want to rotate the shape by 45 degrees, you need to hold the Alt button down as you hit the right arrow 3 times. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to hold the Alt button down as I hit the right arrow once, twice, and thrice. Now we have got this rotated by 45 degrees and I'm going to keep it here. Next, Ctrl D and then Alt right, right, right. So we've got this done. Now you can actually have this touching the edges like this. So it's perfectly fine. And then I'm going to take this, press Ctrl D, Alt right, right, right. And we're going to keep it here. And then Ctrl D again, Alt right, right, right. As you can see, the shape is getting formed beautifully. Ctrl D, Alt right, right, right. And the edges correspond so beautifully. Ctrl D, Alt right, right, right. We are pretty much there. This is the one before the final piece. And then Ctrl D, Alt right, right, right. And we have the graphic complete. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, of course, you can give each of these a different color like this. I'm going to change the outline to white. So I'm going to select all the shapes and give it a white outline. Now that looks beautiful. Now all that is left for us to do is to write the numbers on each of these shapes and then write the text box to complete this beautiful graphic. Isn't that simple? Now what I've shown you is just one simple way to represent a circular flow. I'm going to show you some creative alternatives from our comprehensive all-in-one PowerPoint bundle. This PowerPoint bundle is a collection of more than 4020 fully editable premium PowerPoint templates like this. Let me show you some interesting variations from the pack. Here you see a circular flow, but with a hand-drawn effect. So whenever you want your presentation to be a little more informal, you can use these kind of graphics. Another variation of a circular flow is this one, which shows reinforcing factors. You can see that we have 4 reinforcing factors shown here. And this is another variation of a circular flow where you can see each of these circular arrows seem to be stuck one on top of the other. And this is a beautiful animated version of a circular flow. You can see that on a click, one arrow here is highlighted and the associated label is shown, and on the next click the highlight is brought to the next element, and likewise we are going to show you the different steps in a circular process. The final example is this one, which shows 6 cornerstones of a concept. On a click we bring in the 6 cornerstones and we bring the highlight to one point, and then we bring the highlight to the next point, then third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So those are the creative ways in which you can represent a circular flow. We have a whole bunch of alternatives available in comprehensive all-in-one PowerPoint bundle. This bundle is a collection of our best-selling PowerPoint templates packs, like our PowerPoint CEO Pack 1, Graphics and Concepts CEO Pack 2, Advanced Animations Pack, where the animations are really practical and useful in day-to-day presentations, Visual PowerPoint Graphs Pack, which has a collection of data-driven advanced PowerPoint graphs like thermometer charts, Gantt charts, bullet charts, etc. Flat Design Style PowerPoint Templates Pack, Hand-Drawn Style Graphics Pack, themed title templates, and more than 400 new consulting models and frameworks that are not available anywhere else. If you're someone who is serious about creating your PowerPoint presentations that influence your career and business, then Comprehensive All-in-One PowerPoint Bundle is the best collection of PowerPoint templates you can buy. I will leave a link to our Comprehensive All-in-One PowerPoint Bundle in the description area below this video. Please click on that link and explore this product more. One more thing, as a thank you for watching this video this far, I'm happy to offer you our free 5-day email course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas. This is an extremely popular email course, and you can join this course by clicking on the link here. So please click on the link here and join the email course, and I'll see you inside. Thank you.